What are pacifiers for? Say, surely you don't suck on them. What do you do with them? Oh! What do you do with them, Amelia? Hey, what do you do with a pacifier? Come here. Here, take it. Put it in your hand. You are silly. Climbing, mommy? Amelia. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, are you handing me a pacifier? Are you standing? Yes. Oh, all by yourself? Oh my goodness! Oh. Hi, Sugar Muffin. Come here. Let's do one good time. Oh, and it goes down. Oh. Silly girl.